Okay, our environment. Introduction. Biocycles and their impact on environment. Biocycles are those oxygen cycles and carbon dioxide cycles, and how do that affect our environment? Nature and environment. Nature is something that is an internal factors, and environment is something that are external factors. For instance, a lion is an environment for a deer. Okay, why? Because it is always afraid of lions. It has to move at places where lions are not there. For the lion, deer is an environment because it has to eat the deer to live. So, nature and environment, they are uh, two types of factors that affect our environment. Our waste, okay. Now, our waste, there are biodegradable waste and non-biodegradable waste. When we create waste, okay, there are two types of waste that we create. One is biodegradable, meaning that waste that turns into soil. It is not bad for our earth, okay, like vegetables and things which are uh, which can easily be disintegrated. Okay, why? How does it get disintegrated? Because all the germs and all these bacteria, they eat it away. They eat biodegradable stuff. Non-biodegradable is things that are not, which either do not get degraded into soil or take a very very long time to degrade, like plastic, glass, metal, things like that. Okay. Then we'll be studying about ecosystem. Ecosystems are, what are ecosystems? It is where non-living things and living things, animals, plants, they all live together. That is an ecosystem. Okay, we have desert ecosystems, and we have uh, green ecosystems. Okay, so we have a lot of oceanic ecosystems. So different types of ecosystem where biotic, meaning the living, and abiotic, which is the non-living things, live together. What are the types of ecosystems? They are natural and man-made. Natural ecosystems, as we said, were desert and oceanic, and man-made ecosystems are the buildings that we make. Okay, the industries, they are the types of ecosystems that we have made. Our city, okay, so it's an ecosystem where it is made by man. Organisms, okay, which are the organisms living in an ecosystem? There are three types of organisms: producers that manufacture food, consumers which they eat the food, and decomposers, those that decompose the food or decompose things into soil. So this is ecosystem. Now we talk about human affecting environment. How do we affect environment? We release a lot of carbon dioxide. Okay, we spoil our environment through, we spoil our air, we spoil our water, and we spoil our land through many other things, like even we spoil uh, the environment by terrible sounds that we make. Okay, so there are many factors that we are by which we are affecting our environment, and the cause of that is ozone depletion. There is an ozone layer in around our earth, and that is getting depleted, that is getting thinned, it is breaking off. And why ozone layer is important? Because when sun's rays come onto Earth, the ozone layer, it sort of stops the bad ultraviolet rays from coming in, which can affect our Earth and all the living things. And it also, when it breaks, it allows the it allows the ultraviolet rays to come in. Okay, so that is what is affecting. And managing our waste. Okay, we don't manage our waste properly. We throw it anywhere. We throw it into the river. We throw toxic things into on our land. So that is what is affecting our environment. So this is our main subject. And nowadays there are a lot of environmental agencies we are working to stop our environment getting damaged, our earth, and save our earth. Okay,